Yes, I'm Roman. I'm Jamaican. And I'm a YouTuber. For today's video, I will tell you why I became a YouTuber. Let's go. My very first reason for becoming a YouTuber is that I've always wanted to be an actor. I've always been interested in the acting industry, however, I've never really had the chance. So I said to myself, what if there's a way that I could be in front of a camera, in front of a global audience, and talk to them, interact with them, do different role plays, short films, and become known. And voila, the idea for my YouTube channel was born. So number two, I wanted to document my life. One of the first videos I made was when I was in high school, where I did a time capsule. Maybe in the future, I will show you that video. And number three, I wanted to share my experiences with people. I wanted to be able to communicate with people. In fact, I had 2 or 3, maybe even 4 other YouTube channels before this one. But unfortunately, they were not successful. Here's a video of my reaction to one of my old videos. Finally, my reason for starting another YouTube channel, the current one, RomonWrites, was because I wanted a way to promote my literary work, my book. This is my first book, The Note. Just type in Roman Elliston on Amazon and you'll find it. The story unfolds the life of Sergeant Hewley and his complex relationship with the Madison sisters and the mysterious man, Steve. And it gets even more complicated when hearts begin to break, betrayal runs rampant, characters die, and a mystery note pops up. That's where our commissioner and Major Redwood come in. But what role will they play? And last but not least, there's the shy but stalwart Officer Logan, who has a few secrets of his own. But how does he fit into the mix? However, it's difficult to really advertise your own work. And so I said to myself, is there a way I could get a large audience or connect with people from all over the world and promote my book? And I remember that there's YouTube and there are a few YouTubers who I watch. So I said to myself, why not build a YouTube channel surrounding literature, my book, my work, and promote my work? However, who would really want to sit down and hear someone read or be interested in a literature channel? Not many persons. And so I wrote in a book the pros and cons of my literary or literature-based channel, and the results were not good. And so I spoke with a few of my friends and they shared a similar opinion, and eventually I decided to change my concept. And so I asked myself, what do I like? I know that I love languages, culture, and traveling. I'm in France, so traveling is relatively easy. I could travel to different countries, I could meet different people and different cultures and engage with people who speak different languages, and that's it. And hence, I started my channel. And my initial dream of being an actor was rekindled. Initially, I was afraid to do skits and I was afraid to put myself out there, to be more than just a vlogger. One thing that held me back was the fact that I thought that people would not be interested. But after a point in time, I said, you know what? I will make my channel for me. And if you like it, then thank you so much. But if you don't, that's quite all right. And voila, that is why I became a YouTuber. Question, are you a YouTuber? Are you thinking about becoming a YouTuber? Would you like to become a YouTuber? And more importantly, would you like to be in one of my short films? I'm serious. I'm serious. Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao. That's it. YouTube, this RomonWrites, this is my passion. This is what I love doing. And yeah, welcome to my life, baby.